So welcome back to another Resene flip. So today I am going to make over some vintage art pieces. I want the artwork to be bold, so I'll be painting the frames as well as the artwork. I taped off some areas in these pieces that I wanted to keep consistent with size, and then this piece here I actually glued some tiles on. Then I applied a few different techniques to get some texture. So I painted each of these pieces with my trusty old favourite Resene Waterborne Sureseal. So I've used a beautiful palette of Resene Karen Walker paints. So the first one here is Resene Smoky Green. For this palette here I've chosen Resene Ecru White. Then I've finished it off with Resene Smoky Green and Resene Clementine Orange. Here I've got a Resene Jetsam Brown and I've got Resene Ecru White, and I've tied in some more Resene Smoky Green. So here we have it, the finished artwork. I'm really happy with the result.